Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Park the truck on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Turn the steering wheel fully away from the side you are working on to give extra clearance. Remove the inner fender liner by prying out 10 plastic push clips by hand or trim tool and removing one visible 8 mm bolt with a socket. This yields the rear access area behind the headlight assembly. With the fender liner folded back, locate the headlight wiring harness and press the locking tab to unplug it. Pull straight back on the connector. For a bulb change, twist the plastic bulb retainer counterclockwise and slide the bulb out of the socket, handling glass bulbs only by the base or with gloves. If the whole assembly must come out, remove the two 10 mm mounting bolts on top, support the assembly with both hands. Install the new bulb by handling only the base or wearing gloves. Align the bulb tabs with the socket and rotate the plastic retainer clockwise until it seats. Reconnect the wiring harness, tuck the inner fender liner back into place, and reinstall the 10 push clips and the 8 mm bolt, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on low and high beams to verify operation, cycle turn signals, and use the headlight vertical adjuster to align the beam to factory bounds. If the aim shift
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.